Okay, so again, February, the month of love. We're going to be talking all about love this month. It's also Black History Month, so we will be honoring that. So stay tuned for the ways in which we are honoring that. So love, 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 love. Love can be a really strong emotion, right? We can fiercely love our children, we can love our partner, we can love our friends, we can definitely love our pets, we can love the fragrance of a rose when it's blossoming and the sound of a bird, the song of a particular bird. We can love jumping in a pool in a hot summer day. We can love the smell of a new car. We can love chocolate. We can definitely love chocolate. There's a million ways that we can love. There's a million uses for this four-letter word, L-O-V-E. You know, we use the same word to express what we're attracted to, what we desire, what we like, what we're attached to, what we're devoted to. You know, so many uses for this one word. The word love can also be used as a tool for manipulation, particularly in relationships. You know, I love you when you do this for me. Or to express possession, you know, I love you. You're mine and no one else's. I love you so much it hurts. That's why I can't let you go. When we express love from the level of our personality, from that level of the ego, it can get warped pretty easily. It can lead us to make choices that are not necessarily in our best interest or in the interest of the other person. You know, it can definitely cause us to behave in ways that are oh so less than loving. But pure love, the power of love, is so much larger than just an emotion or a feeling or a desire. Pure love is not something that needs an object. It's not about loving something or someone. The power of love, pure love, is more of a quality of beingness. It's a power. It's a divine power. And when we express love from that place, from the highest that is within us, it can be really healing. So Charles Fillmore wrote about love. God does not love anybody or anything. God is the love in everybody and everything. God is love. Man becomes loving by permitting that which is God, by permitting that which God is to find expression in word and act. So we as spiritual beingness are that power of love in action. When we know that, when we allow it. And we can access that love that we are through the portal of our heart center. This is where all the great spiritual teachers and gurus throughout time have identified as the place where we are one with the infinite, which is love. It's also where Charles Fillmore located the power of love, one of our 12 powers that we've been talking a lot about lately. You know, and if you're new, there 12 powers are the 12 energy centers within us that are kind of access points to specific qualities of our spiritual power. So we see that power of love. You know, when we really connect, it's something that connects us with our humanity, right? And we're connected with others, and we can see that power of love in action when we witness people helping others. And then we experience being that power of love in action when we share of our gifts and our time to help someone else or the planet, whether that's just one person or it's feeding an army of people after a natural disaster or during the pandemic, like Chef Andres does, uh, or it's picking up trash off of the side of the road that would otherwise become toxic to wildlife, or it's donating to food banks that are the need is increased with the growing number of people who are unemployed, or it's the front line workers and teachers that are literally sacrificing their health to get us through this pandemic. And the thing about that power of love in action is that it's an energy that grows with every compassionate act. Every compassionate act that we take, that we perform, and watching others. Even, they've done experiments that someone who is witnessing somebody else in an act of compassion, they're feeling the same love, the same energy, the same hormones are being released as the person who is doing it. It's a powerful thing. It's an energy that can be very healing. It can, be very healing to be in that energy vortex of love. In fact, healings can happen in that energy vortex of love. And we can generate that healing energy of love every time, we share of our time and our gifts and our talents, every time we give, every time we're of service to others. We can also generate that healing energy of love with our spiritual practices, meditation, other spiritual practices, practice of gratitude, also coming together and praying together, which is what we do at the beginning of every service, on Sunday. After we come out of the meditation, right? We bring to mind, we come together in consciousness, bring to mind our loved ones and hold them in that healing energy of love that we've created, we've generated together. We can also generate that healing power of love just by simple things, petting our cat or a dog or whatever pet that you have, being with loved ones. It's a power that we generate. We're powerful beings, powerful energetic beings. So this week